Usually when it comes to cars, you guys would probably be familiar with Supercar Blondie. Well, I'm not Supercar Blondie, but let's just think of me as 4x4 Baldy. Mudit, how are you? Guys, this is my friend Mudit. We are at his father's workshop. This is classic service point in Noida. And well, why I call myself a 4x4 Baldy is because A, I'm bald, and Mudit over here is going to show us this new Mahindra Thar 2020 that these guys are in the process of modifying right now. Mudit, I see that the front end is completely blacked out. There's a new grille.
Yeah.
Can you talk us
So
through
this is basically a stock grill which has been redone by us. So this is blacked out. This thing is custom made. Okay. And besides this, there are many things which are done.
So let me ask you about the grill first.
Yeah.
What I've seen that other people are doing is they are completely changing the entire grill.
Yeah.
Okay. But as I understand, the customer's requirement here was only to customize this particular part of the grill.
So basically, the major reason was time constraint.
Okay.
And we were like focusing to get it done as early as possible. So we've done it in the center part only. This thing is custom made by us.
Right, because not everybody is a fan of how the original grill is.
Yeah.
So guys, right now the grill is not completely fitted because they've just put it together so that we can shoot this video. The finishing etc. will come. Right?
Yeah.
Mudit?
Yeah.
So this is made out of fiber reinforced plastic?
This is fiberglass.
Fiberglass.
Yeah.
Okay. And you guys have put this all together in 10 days.
Yeah, in 10 days.
And I see that you guys have blacked out the front bumper.
Yeah, this thing is blacked out, this thing is blacked out, gives it a very rugged look.
And it's a matte paint, it's
Matte,
not gloss,
yeah.
so it looks nice.
Yeah.
So from the front, if we take a look over here, it almost seems as if it's a Jeep Rubicon, isn't it?
Yeah. So, we were having plans to change the tires as well, but we didn't really get the shipment. So
Right, because the cars
those are
are
on
in here
hold
10
right
days.
now, those are on hold, the headlight is on hold.
So I believe that you guys are going to do LED headlights over here.
LED headlights are coming up next.
So you guys are just turning this into a Jeep, aren't you, in a way?
So this is just the phase 1 of modification.
Right.
Major plans are coming up next, and we're planning for a metal bumper.
Okay.
And a custom, bonnet with a scoop.
Oh, lovely, beautiful.
So slowly we'll be, modifying this.
Right. So guys, this is just the front end, and again it's a work in progress. So if we move on from the front end, Mudit, you were telling me that you guys have done some very cool motifs over here. So this is the customer wants to call his car, this SUV, Urban Jeep, right?
Yeah.
So this is all stainless steel?
This is stainless steel CNC cut.
CNC cut.
Yeah.
Beautiful. And we have more of these on the car. So over here
this
as
is
well.
a custom lid which has been made. Have a look.
Nice. And this is all bolted on.
Yeah.
Beautiful. So if the camera could come at the rear. Right now this bumper is silver, but you guys have plans to turn it black as well, right?
Yeah, this has to be painted black, but work is still under process right now.
Okay. Anything else that you guys have done to the
So the
exteriors before we move on to the interiors of the car?
So, the front look was the only priority.
Of the customer. Again, this is not your own car, so you have to work within the constraints of what the customer demands, right? Right. So, the party trick of this car is actually not what's on the outside, right?
Yeah.
It's what is in the inside, the interiors.
Major
So, how about we get inside and we talk about that?
Sure.
Alright. So guys, check this out. So these are custom PU leather seat covers, right?
Leatherite, yeah.
Leatherite, yes. So you've gone for the customer wanted this combo?
Yeah.
Red and
black. Perforated
Nice.
seats.
Now, if I could take the camera. Before I show you that, let's just take a look over here. Mudit, if you could tell me, this is hydro dipped carbon.
This is hydro dipped
cover,
carbon,
right?
carbon finish. Right.
Beautiful.
This thing, and this is a custom beading.
Beautiful.
With the, again,
Urban
custom
Jeep
Urban
logo.
Jeep logo.
So this is like a matte red, isn't it?
Yeah.
Very nice. And this is also.
This is also done. This and the AC vents, the stereo
Check this out,
cover.
guys, here. And then let's go inside and see. Can we hit the lights? Oh, this is as much light as this car has.
Yeah.
No problem. Again, it's a Thar, guys. It's not really a Creta or something. So this has been done up in hydro dipped, whatever the process is. I'm not very familiar. Mudit would be able to tell us better. But due to space restraints, I'm going to get inside and I'm just going to show you what all is there. So this is again in the same finish along with here. Mudit, it's really made the car look very premium.
Yeah.
And what else? Oh guys, look at this steering wheel. So the same carbon thing is over here. Look at this red beading that runs through. Beautiful, man. It really has taken the car up a notch. Come on the inside. So you guys have put an Urban Jeep logo
This is
over
a
here.
custom logo, yeah.
Custom logo, beautiful looking.
This is the custom stitching which you've done.
Right. Is this leather feels different.
Yeah, this is this is completely handmade.
You guys have done up center
This is
armrest.
custom center console.
So sit in the driving
So,
seat. Just
okay.
take your position. How would you drive?
So what the problem is when you're driving like this.
Yeah.
And
It's an automatic, so you know your left hand is mostly free.
You have to rest your hand
Right.
over here. So there was no center console. So what we've done is this is a custom made,
And it
center
slides
console.
lovely.
and this also has a storage space inside.
Okay, if you could open it.
Yeah.
Alright, so it opens up completely. Guys, this is not a finished product. It's still being worked.
Still under process.
It's
yeah.
still under process. So the idea of this video is to let you guys know what all is being worked upon. So these are not finished products. Don't go by the finish on it right now. So it has plenty of storage space here. Alright, and you have your cup holder over here.
Yeah.
Right, and this slides forward, is it?
Yeah. This
So
slides forward.
just take your driving position and keep your hand here. Yeah, let me get out to give a better idea.
So
Right. Beautiful. I don't know why Mahindra did not provide something like this.
So okay, the interesting part is we've also added an AC vent in this center console.
It has an on and an off switch.
So earlier
It's very
you
thoughtful.
only have the vents over here. There's no AC vent for
The rear passengers.
The rear passengers. So this is done, and
And Mudit, if somebody wants, they can have USB ports over
Yeah,
here.
yeah.
Again, it's all depends on the customer, what the customer
needs.
wants,
So
right?
basically, we only work upon what the customer actually needs. We don't. We just do custom projects like what they really want, and according to their needs, it's done.
Okay. Mahindra, what they have done is the wheel arches of this car, when you get it from the company, they just have a wheel arch over there. So this is something that is completely custom made by Classic Service Point, Mudit and his father, who've been doing this for about 30 years. So what they've done is they've built an armrest, and it's very comfortable. Along with that, this armrest, there is plenty of space inside.
Storage space, yeah.
Storage space. And
So-
you've got two cup holders. So this is my flask in which I was having my chai. Goes in here perfectly. There is a deep pocket over here. It
To
takes
keep
my
your
phone in. So I can be very comfortable at the rear. Let's just put the seat back, Mudit, if you can.
Yeah.
Okay.
So this also have a charging socket.
It does?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, so it has
Integrated
that
charge socket.
integrated, that car lighter thing on which you can have your USB ports. And we have it on the other side as well. So guys, this is my uncle Raj.
Hey.
So we guys are here checking this out, and now let's put this back. So Mudit, it's right now set with your driving height and everything.
Yeah,
right?
yeah, yeah.
5'9".
Yeah.
You are. I'm 5'10" and a half.
I am sitting very comfortably
And I'm
at
very
my
comfortable
position.
here because this space was completely wasted. If I could take the camera. So guys, this space over here was completely wasted earlier by Mahindra. I don't know why Mahindra did not decide to do something like this. This is not very hard to do, but it's very convenient. Again, storage space. Why does this car not have storage space? You can easily have a camera in here, anything that you want really. You can have your flasks, your bottles over here, phone holder. Again, charging sockets. Beautifully done. And these are the AC blower vents. It's not really a perch for two people, two adults. If you could just show us here. not really for two adults for a long duration, but it's also not livable.
Yeah.
We can easily two people. You're fine, right?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm good.
So am I. I don't have a problem, and I think more than the exteriors, it's the interiors that really needed work. What is the next step, Mudit?
Obviously, yeah, bigger tires.
Right. So this comes with 265 18s, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
No,
So
this is I guess
255.
255.
Okay. So bigger tires.
Bigger tires and metal bumpers, front and rear, both.
Okay.
And yeah,
That's about it.
yeah.
So guys, let me tell you, I have booked a Thar as well. Mine probably should be arriving sometime in January, early February. At least I'm hoping for that. It's going to be a grey car, diesel automatic, and I'm going to come to Mudit, and you know, I would like a few modifications on mine. And Mudit has told me that these mods aren't very hard to do. What we guys will be planning is a metal bumper, probably a winch
With a bull bar and a
with a pull bar,
Yeah.
two lights over on top of that, LED lights, probably a lift kit,
Yeah, probably.
at least a 2-inch lift kit, bigger
We're just waiting
tires.
for it. The lift kit is still under development right now.
Right,
Not really much products are available right now for this car.
right.
But in the future, hope so.
Because I heard that the PCD of this alloy is also different than the PCD of most off-road focused alloys that
Yeah,
are available
it
in the
is,
market.
it
So not a lot of wheel options, 16 or 18s for this car right now. Yeah. So guys, this is the new 2020 Thar that has been done by Classic Service Point. Mudit and his father, they are hard at work here. These guys are into customizing all kinds of 4x4s, right?
Yeah.
So if you take a look, there's a Thar over there, an
It's
old
still
one.
under making. This is we are making a hard top for this. It's still under making.
If you guys want me to cover this car in-depth video, let me know in the comments below.
So,
I'll do that. There's
if
one
you
over
wanna-
there also that is being done. In fact, there are multiple Thars over here.
Have a look.
Have a look. Just too many Thars. So you know, we don't want a very longish video. We've covered basically whatever that's been done to this particular Thar, and I must tell you, the blacked out thing is looking absolutely ravishing. Okay, I think we should end this video here. If you want to see more, if you want, okay, pricing, Mudit. This is very important, guys.
Yeah.
We cannot tell you about pricing yet because all these products, this is the first time that they're being made. These guys still haven't calculated pricing as
We
they were
haven't
telling
really
me earlier.
calculated the pricing yet, but we'll let you know.
Yeah, so I'm
For
going to
sure.
put their details in the description. If you want any such product, give them a call, work it out.
Drop
come
your
up-
query on our website www.classicservicepoint.com and
Yeah,
we'll surely.
take it further with these guys.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for watching. This is Mudit. I'm Abhinav. The camera is being operated by my uncle Raj. Have a nice day. Bye bye.
Bye guys.